James Reeves, TFBTV Enforce Tech 2024 at the Unity Tactical booth. We're looking at a new magnifier. Actually, my buddies at Black Trident told me that, hey man, did you know Unity is making their own? Am I understanding this correctly? You're making your own magnifier now.
Yep, it's a Unity Tactical magnifier, which is exciting. So
it is. Tell me all about it.
Yeah, we've expanded now. So our fast line used to just be fast optic mounts. Now it's fast optics and mounts, which is really, really exciting. So that said, don't expect a ton of optics to come out from us all of a sudden. What we do is when we identify a need, we fill the gap. That's what we always aim and strive to do. So this was a little bit different because, obviously our fast mounts bring everything up to a 2.26 optical center line from the rail, and we saw a need for the opportunity to have an integrated mount. So our flip to center technology that everybody knows and loves at this point, there's room for, when you look at our Omni, it's a great product and it's great because it's versatile. It works on so many different magnifiers, but by integrating the mount into the optic, you're able to make it that much tighter, that much lower, that much lighter, and we're all about efficiency. And when we did this, we really wanted to make it a 4X magnifier just because they also aren't as common. And again, we love to work with all of our different optic friends and partners, but this was something that we felt like was just a little bit different, and we're always going to try to come up with a new and different solution. But it's a great product. The field of view at 100 yards is 30.1 feet, and the eye relief is 2.6 inches. The glass is super clear. We use a partner to manufacture the glass, a NATO partner. So, yeah.
Am I allowed to ask where it's manufactured?
In Korea.
Okay. Tell me a little bit more about the mount itself.
Sure. It is our flip to center technology. So if you know our flip to center Omni or our flip to center 30 millimeter, there's really nothing different. It's a force to overcome mechanism. So it's a one-handed push and release, and it's the same thing you're used to.
Oh, yeah, too easy.
Too easy.
And
it's not going to fall down. Comes standard with the quick detach lever.
Show me.
Okay.
I want a demo.
Okay, all right, here we go. And there you are.
That was quick truly.
And easy. Get it back on, quick and easy.
When are these going to be available?
That's the magic question. So it is coming out in 2024. I can't give you an official date, but it will be in the next few months.
MSRP?
We also can't share that yet. We're in the home stretch, but the goal for us is always to be, giving you the highest end quality product at the most affordable price. And the goal is, if you were to buy, another magnifier and our Omni or our flip to center 30 millimeter, the goal would be that if you buy just this, you're spending less. So.
$299.
Yep. No promises.
$399.
No promises.
$499.
No, I stop.
Work with me.
I stop. I like it. I like your style, though. This is good banter.
Let's work a deal. James J. Reeves and Unity Tactical filling gaps together at Enforce Tech 2024. Thanks, everyone. Make sure you subscribe. Take care.